hush before dawn, I hear your gentle purr, soft echoes of whiskers, brushing my hands. Moonlight memories linger where you once lay. Your warmth still lingers, even as the stars fade. Oh, meow, meow, you left paw prints on my heart. Each silent whispers now tears me apart. And every sunbeam's glow, I feel you near, guiding me home through. You're no longer here. You're no longer here. You dance through shadows, a flicker of light, chasing daydreams across the warm wooden floor. Your velvet soft grace filled my hollow days. Now I cradle your memory and tear-streaked days. Time cannot hush the comfort of your touch, nor dull the love I felt. And every clutch through your spirit has risen beyond my sight. Your song still hums gently into the night. Oh, meow, meow, your melody remains a tender refrain, coursing through my veins. I'll carry your love through each passing